Hello, little friends! Today we are going to learn about animals and their babies. Listen carefully to their sounds and see how cute they are. Here is a goat. The baby goat is called a kid, Baba. Ooh, this is a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Listen to the puppy say woof, woof. Wow, here comes the lion, the king of the jungle. A baby lion is called a cub. Roar. Look at this pink pig. The baby pig is called a piglet. Oink, oink. Mew, mew. This graceful deer has a baby called a fawn. Mew, 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 mew. Peep, peep, peep. Here is a mother chicken. Her baby is a tiny chick. Peep, 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 peep. Meet the jumping kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. It stays in its mother's pouch. Here is a cow, and its baby is called a calf. Moo. Striped zebra. A baby zebra is called a colt. Whinny, whinny. A duck swims with her tiny ducklings. Quack, quack. This giant elephant has a baby called a calf. A soft and cuddly cat has a baby called a kitten. Meow, meow. This is a wolf. A baby wolf is called a pup. Neigh. A strong horse has a baby called a foal. Neigh. Neigh. A soft and cuddler has a baby called a cub. Baby pandas love to cuddle. A tall camel has a baby called a calf. They love to walk in the desert. Yip, yip. The clever fox has a baby called a cub. Yip, yip. A fluffy sheep has a baby called a lamb. A friendly donkey has a baby called a foal. A strong tiger has a baby called a cub. The tall giraffe has a baby called a calf. Look how high they can reach! Wow! We learned about so many animals and their babies today. Can you tell me your favorite one? See you next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye.